Hey there. Why Florida residential real estate offers unique building, equity building opportunity. It is a crazy area where there are a lot of developments happening and a lot of resale properties happening. It's actually the number one multi demographic area in the country right now. How about that? Pretty impressive.
Yeah, you're talking about Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
Southwest coast.
very cool.
So you have to identify high growth communities and neighborhoods across your target market. So you have to understand the market fundamentals. Key markets worth considering are Sarasota, Tampa Bay, and Southwest Florida. And there are, as I have said before, thousands of neighborhoods in this area, not hundreds, thousands. So you have to do a neighborhood level analysis too. Renovating and value adding strategies, how upgrades generate your market returns. To time your exit, you need to invest at the right time and then get out of town at the right time. Strategic selling approach is where I can help you. Strategic marketing is where I can really help you. And you need to take action right now in order to build long-term wealth throughout Florida, throughout the southwest of Florida in your residential investments. We'll talk at another time about commercial investments, and they're good too.
I had a few questions there about when you say the cosmetic aspect of things, what do you fully mean by that?
Make sure that the front yard looks good, that there are no spider webs coming in the door unless it's Halloween. The painting should be perfect around the front door. Everything you look at should look like, when you're looking at a property to buy, you look for what you can easily fix by cosmetic upgrades, right? You look for the good bones and the good space in the house. And what you end up doing are just cosmetic fixes in order to make it be people want to live there, kind of a thing.
Okay.
Did that make sense?
Yes, you want it to look ultimately nicer, and especially if it's going to be an investment property. That makes sense. And then also to what you said there too, with like strategic marketing, what does that look like for you when you say strategic marketing? Just someone who's kind of a little bit wondering what the process of that kind of looks like.
Well, market research first, find a good place that you think you could turn around. And in commercial, we call it taking a C apartment complex, which is not very many amenities, upgrading it to a B or an A apartment complex. You want to do that with residential too. You want to take a look and see the neighborhood. Will it carry a nice high price, even though the house is in bad condition? You want to do the conditioning, get it in good shape cosmetically.
Very cool. Trying to think, do you ever, like, is that connected to duplexes and stuff like that, or is that separate from what I'm thinking of? Like,
duplexes are not usually as good of an investment as a single family home in residential. Townhomes are okay, but usually they come along with higher, fees and whatnot. And you have to look into all those things, as I always do. I dive deep, and you need my help. You're looking at investment properties. You do, because I have the means. I know the neighborhoods. I can help you find the properties that are in decent shape and that you should be able to turn around and make a good profit on. I have one right now, as a matter of fact. And John, will you be able to pop a flyer up?
I can pop up what you're talking about with the property.
I keep investor lists. And in what category they are, in what they're comfortable in, what neighborhoods they know. I have been doing this for 11 years, so my list is pretty good on the investor side. I know who to contact, and I send it out to that list. Do a nice flyer, send it out. I'm going to do that, but you get first dibs.
Goal of this is go check out the blog that was in addition to this video. Is the call to action, and
click to the article that goes in depth into investment in the area.
Then after that, maybe go to your website
and look at Best Agent for other categories that you might want to find out about. And I can also take you around to the neighborhoods with it's bi-weekly, and it's what's going on around town, because sometimes people are looking for that kind of information. Let me know if you want to sign up for my May Watch Out and About back up your decision on which neighborhoods to dive into. You might want to invest near where you live or away from where you live. Call me, we'll talk, we'll do this thing.